5 most disturbing shark encounters that will haunt you.
By 2011, a blonde woman nearly became shark prey. Luckily, her friend on the boat noticed in time and calmly called her back. For her, that day was likely the most unforgettable brush with death of her life.
Hey, Heidi.
Is she skinny dipping? I don't think this is okay. What are we doing?
Hey, Heidi, get in the boat.
Are you being serious?
Yep.
In front, underneath her? Oh, over there? Oh, dude, she was donezo.
Holy crap, can you imagine?
I mean, that might be a normal, that might not be like a shark that eats humans whole, like a great white. Like maybe that's like a different, I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust it.
Look at that. Yeah, they're like circling.
I can't see anything, buddy.
Look. Look out. Look.
That would not been fun.
It's a small shark, dude. I don't think it wouldn't kill you, but it's very small.
On July,
I'd still be scared. I'm talking about it like I would just be like, oh, whatever, it's a small shark. No, I'd shit myself and die in the ocean.
5th, 2020, a chilling video was uploaded to the Finges channel, and it quickly became a terrifying reminder of why you should never dangle your legs over the side of a kayak while fishing.
Bro, he's barely even dangling it. It's gotta be this foot. Oh.
He was focused on bagging his catch, satisfied with the results of a long day on the water. But just a few seconds later, everything turned cold and terrifying.
Oh. Oh, that's huge.
A tiger shark swam up in search of prey, and luckily he noticed it just in time to
see. Now that would have killed the lady. No chance. That would have ate her. One gulp, bro. She would have been done. That's a scary shark.
pull his leg out of the water.
I think the other ones, the small ones, are like bull sharks, right? Like they're not like full size like this, dude. That shark's bigger than him. He could get swallowed whole.
The shark slid right beneath the kayak, then disappeared as if nothing had ever happened. It's hard to imagine what would have happened if that shark had mistaken him for prey and attacked.
Why didn't it though? Why don't they kill? I mean, they knew something was there. Why didn't he kill him?
In that situation, he would have stood almost no chance of survival.
Guess I'm out of here.
If we're gonna fish in this kind of water, can we bring like a boat, a little canoe? I mean, I don't know. I know it's a lot easier and portable, but I mean, look what we're risking here. I don't know if it's worth it.
Oh, mate, get out of the rudder. Holy shit.
On February 10th, 2025, YouTuber Nomadic Kayak Fishing, real name Matt, uploaded one of the most terrifying fishing videos ever recorded, which has since gained over 4.7 million views.
I just don't think this would be like relaxing fishing. You know what I mean? Like I feel like you're supposed to chill out when you go fishing, and this would, I don't know. It's too risky. It's probably expensive to have all this equipment. Like just get a boat so that you're like comfortable.
During his solo camping and self-sufficiency challenge at the northernmost tip of New Zealand, everything seemed perfect at first. Calm seas, clear skies, and a gentle
That's kind of fat though. That's actually sick.
breeze.
Well, there we go. A nice little kahawai live bait. See there, bridle rig, 10-barrow, circle hook.
Is he fishing like 3 rods at once right now?
I'm actually running a 150-pound leader.
Yeah, so what I'm saying, you know there's sharks in the water, right? Like what are we doing?
Oh.
Oh,
And
they
it's
have
another
no
perfect
idea.
size one. Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Ah, he came off.
Oh.
What the
But while drifting his live bait, a massive great white shark suddenly appeared, circling his kayak and following him.
There's no way you don't know a great white shark is possibly there. There's no, I
For
don't know.
nearly 10 minutes, Matt tried to stay
I'd
calm,
Google
cut the
that.
bait line.
I'd be like, I'm going to the most north part of New Zealand. Is there sharks there? And if there's it should know if there's great white sharks there. Like,
And paddled slowly to
the
avoid
open
provoking
ocean.
it, knowing that even a single mistake could cost him his life.
Oh, mate, get out of the rudder. Holy shit.
ooh,
Fuck me, there's a huge great white behind me.
that's when, bro, it could swallow him whole. And like, what? He's gone. I think it would just eat your
Fuck me.
boat too.
Fuck, he's following me. Fuck me.
Why doesn't it attack?
Leave me
though?
alone. He's still behind me. He's going at my rudder. Holy shit. Is he still here? Oh my god.
Oh, you're good.
Fuck that.
Dude, why don't they attack? This is like the third one in a row where they have the opportunity and everything. They know you're prey. Like, why don't they kill you?
He's still here. He's still behind me. He's just following me. If I get eaten, it's not going to be much fun. He's still right on my tail. He's following me.
Not gonna. This is a real situation where he's gonna die. Like, it wouldn't be that much fun if I died here. He's like still doing it for the camera.
My rudder. Please don't attack me, bro.
Bro.
How do I get him to leave me alone? He's still right behind me. Can you guys see that fin? Holy shit.
I think he would have killed you by now,
Holy
though.
shit. Fuck, he's still following me.
Go towards
Is
the
he still
shore.
there? Yeah, he's still there. Oh my god. Please leave me alone, bro. Please leave me alone.
The amount of calories he's probably burning just being anxious with that. Oh my god, his heart.
He's still following me.
Dude, I didn't even think about that. If he has his fish with him, like he just caught that thing and he was trying to bait with it. Like, and I don't know if your other rods are still active. Like, you didn't reel anything in. So,
Shit.
you're like a whole feast.
He could just be swimming underneath me too. Holy shit.
Oh, bro, that'd be worse. Fucking knocks your boat over and then now you're free food. Just sprawled out.
I don't know where he is. I do not know where he is. I'm
Head
just not
towards
going
the
to stop
shore.
paddling and keep an eye out. I don't know where he's gone, but I don't want to be anywhere near him. I'm going in. That was one of the scariest things I've ever seen.
Oh, but he made it sound like he was just going to resume fishing like 20 feet further that way. Well, I'd be done. The trip is over. The fishing trip we're done with that.
Whangaroa, if you can hear this, please keep me safe, keep me well, and keep that shark from me. Whangaroa Namahi. I don't know where he's gone, but I'm gonna turn these cameras
Nah,
off.
this guy lives, right?
Oh shit, that
I
was
mean, the
him.
video's posted.
Shit, that huge swirl behind me. I hope that front camera picked it up. Oh fuck me. He's still following
Just
me. He's
get
got
where
a
you're
distance,
trying to
but
go.
he could swim up on me at any moment. That thing was 4.5 meters long. It was longer than the kayak.
Yeah, yeah.
That was a 1,000-pound shark,
That was
and
huge.
he's still behind me. I'm so sorry I'm swearing so much.
Is
I
it?
haven't seen him in about a minute.
I don't think he swore one time.
I'm not paddling super fast because I'm trying to keep the paddle strokes nice and quiet so he doesn't feel any sort of aggression towards me. Just keeping a real steady pace, not trying to be too frantic about the...
I was thinking that if you had a boat with like a motor, I think it might have already like tried to attack you. Like maybe it's too aggressive and he's like chilling kind of.
Also
He's
trying
calm.
not to get too close to the rocks because...
There we go, finally.
Eventually, the shark swam away. Matt reached the shore safely, exhaling in relief after what felt like an endless time on the water. What began as an ordinary day of fishing ended as a moment that made him truly realize how small
But do you go fishing again? Like, I feel like this would be the last trip I would take.
humans are before the vastness
On a canoe. I'd upgrade to a boat. I'm not dying.
of the ocean.
But I knew he hadn't gone far.
On June 16th, 2024, YouTuber Scale Up Adventures uploaded one of the most chilling fishing videos ever shared online. He was fishing on the Pine River in Queensland, recording what seemed to be an
In a river?
ordinary day on the water. The river was calm, the sky clear, and everything appeared to revolve around a few flathead fish beneath the boat.
They're still going to go nuts. Oh, Lewis out at least. That's
See,
good.
this is what I'm talking about. We got the little place to keep the fish so you're not dangling bait on the side. We got room. You can put your hooks and stuff down.
Little flatty. Now, don't spike me, mate. Please don't.
If this was happening and it's in your lap, like the other guy dropped the fish. Like, it's just not an efficient way to do your hobby.
Don't spike me. Don't fall down there. Oh, calm down. I'll let you go. Oh,
What is that?
Alright, see you later. Off he goes.
I don't personally don't understand catch and release fishing. Like, why are we even doing that? I know it's like legal to stay legal at some places. You have to. So I just don't understand the point. Like, you're hooking the fish and stabbing the fish. Like, they might not be in pain, but I don't know. I don't like that.
A human body.
Then, a man on a jet ski approached, shouting that he had just seen a body floating nearby. At first, he thought it was a joke, but as he moved closer, he froze. It was indeed a human body, dressed in black with visible arms and legs, drifting slowly along the current.
Bro, he got the setup, bro. Like, this is how you get away from a shark. This guy got no problem.
Startled, he turned off his camera. The man
That was an awkward edit. We didn't need that.
on the jet ski immediately called the water police. When officers arrived, they confirmed it was a real body, not a mannequin or any kind of object. The entire area was soon cordoned off for investigation.
Bro's still fishing? Like, stop. Just stop. You're not even gonna keep it. Just stop.
To this day, no further information has been released about the victim or the cause of death, making the incident even more haunting. A simple day of fishing turned into a memory no one would ever want to relive.
Okay, we didn't need that part. That was like so AI scripted.
Oh, mate, you get smashed there. Oi!
Dude, that one didn't even involve a shark. There was no shark in that one. I thought maybe it would come because of the dead body, but we're just gonna... And because I don't know what happened to the dead body, like, that doesn't mean it was never found out. Like, you didn't look.
Oh, mate, you get smashed there. Oi!
Is that a boat?
Oi!
On December 23rd, 2024, a video that seemed to be nothing more than an ordinary fishing diary at Avoca Beach, New South Wales, became a survival warning for anyone who has ever stepped onto the rocky shores of Australia.
Ooh, that looks fun, though. That looks like a cool place. Like, that's a sick beach to fish from. Oh, that's pretty, dude. Wow.
Yeah.
gotta be somebody's boat.
Yeah. That's right.
Dude, can we get there? I mean, I'm literally just watching the environment. Like, come on, bro.
Straight into the sea.
Bro, you teased this clip already. Like, I'm literally just watching the same thing. Like, what's going on?
Can I get higher? Let go. Let go? Swim out. Go that way.
Oh, it's a dude. It's a guy that fell in. I feel like we're not acting appropriately for the situation here. Like, get the guy out. You guys all have rods and equipment. Like, come.
Just swim out.
Swim that way.
It's too dangerous there. Yeah. Fuck, you'll get smashed there.
No, that's fair.
Let go. You get fucked up over there.
I mean, you guys are just like, if you go that way, you're gonna die. You're not helping him at all. Like, I think he can see that that's gonna kill him. Oh my god, and this guy's like it looks like an official of some sort. Like, walk his ass over and bring him up. What are we doing?
Oh, yeah. He's getting...
Go over there.
I'm getting frustrated, bro. What are we doing?
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna spend 20 minutes just sitting here waiting for you to show me the clip.
After a few minutes struggling with the water, he was pulled into a calm area and survived, only slightly scratched, but mentally shaken.
I mean, right. No, it's a scary... Bro, we dragged that out way too long. You ruined it for me at the end there. I mean, the beginning was okay, and then one of them wasn't even about sharks. I feel like if I gave you a like at this point, it'd be kind of pity. I mean, this clip was good. Alright, whatever. Whatever, that was pretty good. That was not terrible. A little frustrating, but good way to start, I guess.